Hi, I'm Ashley Gage, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make lists in HTML. First, let's start by opening up Sublime Text. Once that's open, I want you to start a new file called list.html and save that in your Documents folder. Once it's saved, you're going to be building a basic HTML web page. I taught how to do this in Lesson 1 of this video series. For that video, please click the link in the top right corner. In this video, we are going to be covering the two different types of lists in HTML. There are ordered lists and unordered lists. First, we are going to be making an ordered list. The tag for an ordered list is OL, which stands for ordered list. Inside the two OL tags, I want you to type LI. LI stands for list item. We want 3 list items in our ordered list, so below the first LI, I want you to paste 2 more. For our ordered list, I'm going to be typing 1, 2, and 3. Now for the unordered list. The tag for an unordered list is UL. In between the two UL tags, I want you to type LI again. We also want 3 list items in our unordered list. For this one, I will be typing red, yellow, and blue. Save that, and let's see it in the browser. As you can see, our ordered list is numbered, and our unordered list has little dots indenting each item. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.